boy, Brian Cavity. So, yeah, the Takealot order just dropped in. You know what I'm saying? God bless. I'm gonna be completely solid and honest with you guys. I never ordered anything on Takealot before, let alone online. Never bought anything on Shein or Shein or Shine. I don't know. You guys have your own You guys have your own ways of saying it. Anyway, back. Let me not go off topic. Takealot order just dropped in. I never bought anything online. Never bought anything on Takealot.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Jerry.
Up until now. So the whole idea was to pretty much get the standard experience. If you had less than $500 to spend on Takealot, what kind of service would you get? How quick would you get your products delivered to you? And you know, just how's the experience and everything. I only spent like $300. I'll put everything up on the screen, but I didn't really spend that much. Let me not spend too much time talking. Let's see how everything is gonna play out. I'm not sure how to feel about this, man. First time, I haven't really opened the boxes yet. Everything is sealed. Everything is still sealed up, so the reaction is genuine. Yeah, so the first up on the list, we got, I think this VGA extender or VGA adapter. As you guys can see, hey, I'm gonna hold that here right there. I ain't trying to make you guys see the edges, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to drop the eddies, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to turn to no pop smoke. I know y'all niggas popping. I know I got some ops. I'm kidding, I don't care what an op is, bro. Y'all hating. I don't give a fuck. I am so fucking impatient right now. I just want to see what's in this. I want to see what they have for daddy. I want to see what they have for daddy. Right. Moment of the truth. Moment of the truth. I got the VGA Splitter. And it looks like a fucking DSTV console or some shit. Oh yeah. There we are. Look at that. 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 Okay, I'm gonna put you right back. It came with something else. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. So it's got a charge. Oh, that's to keep it on. Fuck, I'm stupid, bro. That's to keep it on. So, thanks, Takealot. Takealot. I think I'm still gonna take a lot from you guys, man. I'm not gonna lie. Like I'm still gonna. I wanna take a whole lot of shit from Takealot, bro. The big boy. Go ahead. Open that boy up. Try not to dice up whatever is in there. It's something about big boxes, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh man. Oh shit. Woo. That is heavy, bro. That is fucking heavy. That is fucking heavy, bro. That is fucking heavy. I'm not gonna lie, this feels like quality, bro. This feels like quality. I can't wait to pretty much see it up. So without wasting time, man, let me just open this stuff. Let me open this stuff for you guys. Let me not be selfish. Let me open this stuff. Oh, look at what it came in, my nigga. You feel me? It came in a map. Yo, I love this. Yo, this is sweet. This is sweet, yo. This is sweet. I could have this. Actually, I'ma have this somewhere. right by my desk. I felt like I really like this. I like what it's done. I think I'm gonna buy a frame for it. I need to get a frame for this. This is magnificent. This is perfect. The packaging is on point. Sweet. Ooh, man. And now the moment of truth. The moment of truth. I think it's a bit, yeah. Woo!
Ooh, I said.
The quality! The quality is insane, bro. The quality is insane. Yo, Takealot. Takealot. And it smells like rubber, bro. Like, woo-wee! Y'all see this shit? I don't think y'all seen this shit. I don't think y'all fucking seen this shit. Alright? Oh, man. Oof. So yeah, that brings us to the ad. I'm super excited to see what everything is gonna look like when I put it all together. So I hope I'll be seeing you guys in part 2, and we can pretty much see how the new setup is gonna be looking like. That's it from your boy. I go by the name of Brian Campus. Love, peace. But we're the freaks.